Good evening, students. Today we will discuss paper number 235, quantitative aptitude. Find the wrong number in the given series. So here one series is there, you have to identify the wrong number in this given series. See the series 12, 13.3, 15.9, 19.8, 25, 30.5, 39.3. See the gap here, this is 1.3, this is 2.6. So that means multiples of 13. This is 3.9, this will be 5.2, this will be 6.5. So these are the multiples of 13. So what is 25 plus 6.5? 31.5 is the correct. So 30.5 is the wrong number. Next question. Find the wrong number in the given series 100, 148, 220, 316, 436, 580 and 752. 100, 148, 220, 316, 436, 580, 752. Now here the gap 48 gap here. This will be 72. This will be 96. This will be 120. This is how much? 144. So each time 24 is increasing. Each time 24 is increasing. Next, if you increase 24, it should be equal to 168. So 580 plus 168 is equal to 748 is the correct. 752 is the wrong number. Next question. See the next question. 1, 2, 5, 14, 41, 122, 366. Now, 33 is there, one more. 33, see 33, 4, 6, 11, 21, 38, 65, 101. See here the gap 2, here 5, this is 10, this is 17. So 2 means 1 square plus 1. This is 2 square plus 1. This is 3 square plus 1. This is 4 square plus 1. Next 5 square plus 1, that is 26. So 64 is the correct one. 65 is the wrong. 65 is the wrong. See the next one. 1, 2, 5, 14, 41, 122, then 366. Now how the number series is going? See here, if you see this one, into 3 minus 1. This is also into 3 minus 1. So this one into 3 minus 1, 2. Then here also into 3 minus 1. This is into 3 minus 1. It should be equal to 365, not 366. See the next question, 35. 16, 9, 16, 9, 10, again 16, 34, 83.5, 251.5. Now here into 0.5 plus 1, into 1 plus 1, into 1.5 plus 1, then again into 2 plus 1, so that should be equal to 33. So 34 is the wrong number. Next, A and B, they entered into a partnership with 3,600 and 4,200. So 36, 42. A 36, B 42. If we simplify, A 6, B 7. So now we are having two persons, A and B. A, B. A 6, B 7. A invested for 3 months less than B. So if you take B as X, A will be X minus 3, since it is 3 months less than B. Now, if the ratio of the profit, so 6 of X minus 3 by 7X is equal to 9 by 14. 7 1s, 7 2s, 3 2s, 3 3s. Therefore, we will get 3X is equal to this one, 2 into 2, 4. So 4X minus 12. Therefore, X is equal to 12. We want A. A is X minus 3. That will be equal to 9 months. 9 months is the correct answer. Next one. A shopkeeper purchased 2 shirts, one at 800 and other at 1200. He sold the first shirt at 2 successive discounts of 10% and 20%, second at 25. What is the total profit when he marked both up to 50%? So markup price. So the cost price of first one is 800. Mark price 50% above means 800 plus 400, that is 1200. The cost price of the second one is 1200. Markup price will be equal to 1800. Then he sold the first shirt. Selling price of the first one at two discounts of 10% and 20%. So 10% means 90 by 100. 20% means 80 by 100. If you do this, 0000 cancel. This is also 0000 cancel. 72 into 12. So that will be equal to 864. The selling price of second one. So it is sold at 25% discount. That means 1800 into 3 by 4. That is equal to 1350 because 4 4s 450. 1350. So 1350. Now what is the profit of the first one? So find the total profit. So what is the profit of the first one? The cost price 800, selling price 864. So profit on first is 64. Second price 1200, 350. Profit 150. Total we are getting 214 rupees profit. 214 means option will be 5. Option is 5. Next one. The speed of the stream is 40% of the speed of the boat in still water. The speed of the stream is 40% of the speed of the boat in still water. Then the boat can cover 6 kilometers downstream in 24 minutes in still water. Find the time taken to travel 126 kilometers downstream. See here, the speed of the stream is 40% of the boat. So 40% means 2 by 5. This is a stream, this is boat speed. The boat can cover a distance of 6 kilometers in 24 minutes. So 6 kilometers in 24 minutes. That means 6 by 24 by 60. That is nothing but 6 into 60 by 24. That is 15. 15 is 15 kilometer per hour. That is the boat speed. So 5 parts equal to 15. Therefore, each part is equal to 3. This one will be 6. Now, find the time taken by the boat to cover 126 kilometers downstream. Downstream means 15 plus 6, 21. So, that will take how many hours? 6 hours. 6 hours is the correct answer. 6 hours is the correct answer. See the next question. Area of the square. Area of the square is 9 more than the sum of the area of the circle and rectangle. Diameter of the circle is 28. So, radius will be 14. Radius will be 14. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 18 and 12. So, area of rectangle is equal to 18 into 12. What is 18 into 12? 216. 216. Now, area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So, it is 44 into 14. What is 44 into 14? 616. So, this is area of circle, this is area of rectangle. Area of square is 9 more than the sum. So, 616 plus 216 plus 9. So, how much we are going to get? So, how much? 15, 21, 4. 841. S square is 841. S is equal to root of 841, that is 29. 29 centimeters is the correct answer. Next, a man invested 6,000 in scheme A at 15% compounding annually and X in scheme B 20% compounding annually. 15% 2 years for 2 years. So, that will be equal to 15 plus 225 by 100, that is 32.25. So, 6,000 into 32.25 by 100 plus X into 20% 2 years means 44 by 100. So, that you get total 3,695. Now, do the calculation. First, this one we are doing 3,225 into 6, 30, 15, then 1935. So this is 1935. This is 1935 plus 44x by 100 is equal to 3695. Now 3695 minus 1935, that will be equal to 1760. So 44x by 100 is equal to 1760. So x value 4000. 4000 is the correct answer. 1. Then see the next one. Here the bar graph shows the total number of shirts sold by ABCDF from different shops. Read the data carefully, then answer the questions. So here this is formal and casual shirts. A, each single line is equal to 2. Each single line is equal to 2 units. Now first of all A. First of all A we should take. A it is 56. B it is 48. C, see this one, 28. D, that is 40. Sorry, E is 40. D, that is 32, 34, 36. F, it is 32. So if you take this, A is 56, B is 48, C is 28, D 36, E 40, F is 32. Now based on this we should answer the questions. Based on this we should answer the questions. Now see the first one. Total shirts sold by B. Total shirts sold by B is what percent of total of E? B is how much? See, B is how much? 48. E is how much? 40. So 48 is how much more? How much more means 8 more. So 8 by 40. 8 by 40 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 20%. 20% is the correct answer. 20% is the correct answer. See the next one. See the next one. If total formal of D is 25% more than casual. D formal it is 5x, casual it is 4x. Therefore 9x is equal to 36, x value 4. Formal by D. So 5x. 5 into 4, that is 20. 20 is the correct answer. 20 is the correct answer. Next one. Average of ACD. A is 56, C is 28, this is 36. So 25, 120. So 120 by 3, that is how much? 40. 2 is the correct answer. Next one. If the ratio of B and E, formal and casual, B formal and casual 3:5, E it is 2:3, then find casual of B and E. First of all, B total is 48. What is B total? 48. What is E total? 40. Now we want casual. So 5 plus 3, 8. 48 by 8, 6. So casual 30. 5 into 6, 30. Now here this one 5. 8, 40 by 5, 8. 8 into 3, this is 24. So 30 plus 24 is equal to 54. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next one. Total shirts of B is what percent of C and F? B is 48. It is what percent of C and F? C 28 plus 32, that is 60. So 12 fours, 12 fives. 4 by 5 is equal to 80%. 80% is the correct answer. Next question. P is 40% more efficient than R and Q is 50% more efficient than P. 40% more efficient means 7 by 5. P is 7, R 5. Q is 50% more. 7 plus 3.5, that is 10.5. This is Q. If P and R together, they will complete the work in 45 days. Then find the time taken by PQR. PQR it is 22.5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 10.5, 22.5. So this one 2 times. The work is completed in 24 days. Next question. Two vessels A and B contains petrol and diesel in the ratio of 4:5 and 7:8 respectively. The mixture of A and B is mixed in empty vessel C. If the total quantity of A is 450, then and quantity of petrol in C is 480. Now we are having A and B. A 4:5 and B 7:8, that is petrol is to diesel. Now A totally we are having 450 liters. A is how many liters? 450 liters. B we don't know, X liters. These are mixed in C. And C petrol is how many liters? 480 liters. Petrol is 480. Now from A 450 into 4 by 9. From B X into 7 by 15. X into 7 by 15. Sorry, 15x into 7 by 15. 15x into 7 by 15, because this is 7, this is 8, total 15x. So 15x into 7 by 15, that will be equal to 200 plus 7x is equal to 480. 7x is equal to 280, x value 40. So find the mixture in B. In mixture in B it is 15x. So 15 into 40, that is 600. 600 liters is the correct answer. This is 15x we should take. This is 7x, 8x. This is equal to 15x. Now, this is from A, this is from B, petrol. This is about petrol. So, 600 is the correct answer. Next one. See the next question. Train Q can cross train P in 90 seconds while running in the same direction. Ratio of P and Q is 4:5 and the difference in the speed is 36. So here the difference in P and Q 36, Q is crossing P. So Q speed is greater than P speed by how much? 36 by 36. Now the length of P and Q 4:5. So P length is 4 parts, Q length is 5 parts. Total length 9 parts. Total length is equal to 9 parts. And total time is 90 seconds. 9x by 90 is equal to the difference in speed. Why we are taking difference in speed? Because they are running in the same direction. So relative speed is the difference, and difference is the difference of the speed is given as how much? 36, and we have to take into 5 by 18. Since it is kilometer per hour, we have to convert into meter per second. So this will be equal to x by 10 is equal to 10. So x value is 100. X value 100. If x value is 100, P will be the length of P and Q 4 and 5. So P will be 400, Q will be 500. So total 900. Total 900. If P is crossing 200 meter long platform, so P is crossing 200 meter long platform. P is 400. 200 meter long platform means 400 plus 200, 600. In how many seconds? 24 seconds. Then it will be equal to 24 2s, 24 5s. This is 25 meter per second. This we have to convert into kilometer per hour. 18 by 5. That is 90. So P speed is 90 kilometer per hour. The Q speed is greater than P speed by 36. Therefore, Q is equal to 90 plus 36, that is 126 kilometer per hour. 126 kilometer per hour is the correct answer. Next one. A bag contains 6 red, 3 blue, 7 white. Total 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. 3 balls drawn randomly, then find the probability of getting balls of each. So 1 red, 1 blue, 1 white. 6 into 3 into 7 by 16C3. 16C3. 16C3 means 16 into 15 into 14 by 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 3 ones, 3 fives, 2 ones, 2 eights, 560. 560. So 6 into 3 into 7 by 560. Now if you do the calculation, 7 ones, 7 eights, 2 threes, 240. It is 9 by 40. Answer is 9 by 40. Next question. The present age of B and A is 9:8. B and A present age 9:8. After 10 years, it will be equal to 10:9. So 10 is become 9 is becoming 10, 8 is becoming 9. So one part is equal to 10 years. Difference of the ages is one part, that is equal to 10 years. Option 5. Next question. What should come in the place of the question mark in the following questions? See this one. 5 by 2 of 7 by 8 of 1 by 28 into 1600 is equal to 260 plus x minus 499, that is minus 239 plus x. Now do the calculation. See, this is 8 into 2 16, 8 into 2 16, this is 100, 7 ones 7 fours, 4 ones 425, 125 plus 239, that is equal to 364. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 5 square, that is 25. 5 square means 25 into 41, that is how much? See, into 5, 41 into 5. 5 square into 41 into 5. 25 into 41, that is 1025. Again 1025 into 5, that is 5125. 5125 minus 289 minus 75 plus 100. So 289 plus 75, that is 364. 5125 minus 364, that will be equal to 4761. So what is root of 4761? See, 4761, for that you have to find root value. This is how we should find root value. First 6 into 6, 36, then 1161. Here if I am writing 6, double 12, 129 into 9, 9 nines 81, 26, 1161. So 69 is the square root. 69 plus 100 is 169. 169 x square, x value is 13. 13 is the correct answer. Option 1. Option 1. Next question. Root 256 means 16 into 49 7. 16 into 7 112 plus 361 plus 11 is equal to x square. So this is 361 plus 11, 372, 484. 484 root is 22. 2 is the correct answer. Then 252 plus, this is 252 plus 26 plus 420. So 252 plus 26 plus 420, that is 278 plus 420, that is 698 minus 121. So that will be equal to 577. 577 is the correct answer. Next question. %48 of 525. 48 by 100 into 525. 25 fours, ones, 12s. This is 252 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 499. 499 minus 252. 499 minus 252, that is 247. So 5x by 2 is equal to 247, that means 494 by 5. So 5 9s 45, then 5 8s 40, again 5 8s. We will get 98.8. 98.8. Next question. 450 by 15, that is 30, plus 8 2s 86 minus 16, that is equal to 40. 40 is the correct answer. Option 1. Option 1. Next question. This is approximate. Even though this is given, this is approximate. X square into 25 is equal to 250 by 5 is 50. 50 into 24 plus 25, that is 1200 plus 25, that is 1225. So 1225 by 25, 25 fours, 25 nines, x square 49, x value 7. 7 is the correct answer. 7 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. 60% of 150. So 60% of 150 means 3 by 5 of 150. 3 by 5 of 150, that is 90. That is how much? 90. Minus 45% of 200, again 90, that is 210. 90 90 cancel, we are left out with 210. 210 is the correct answer. Next, 480 minus 263, that is 217 into 2, that is 434 divided by 7. 7 6 72. 62 is the correct answer. 62. Next question. 15 into 12. What is 15 into 12? 180 minus 144, that is 36, is equal to x minus 108. X is equal to 138. Option 5. Option 5 is the correct answer. 61. X plus 6 whole square is equal to 25% of 200 is 50. Then this one 1 by 7 of 2450. 7 3 is 350. 400. So x plus 6 whole square is equal to 400 can be written as 20 square. Therefore x plus 6 is equal to 20. X value 14. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Root of 576. What is root of 576? That is 24. 24 into 24 into 3. 300 of 1 by 2. 300 of 1 by 2. 300 of 1 by 2. This is 576%. That means 24% of 300. That means 24 into 3 into 1 by 2. That is 36. 36 is equal to x minus 13. X value 49. 5 is the correct answer. Next question. 2 1 by 3 plus 5 2 by 3 minus 3 3 by 4 is equal to x minus 8 3 by 3. That means 2 plus 5 plus 8 minus 3. That means this will be equal to 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 minus 3 12. Now 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 1. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 1. And minus 3 by 4, this will cancel. So 12 plus 1. What is 12 plus 1? 13. 13 is the correct answer. Next one. See the next question. 64 question. 63 into 18. 63 into 18. 18 3 is 54. 1134 plus 17 minus 479 plus 715. So 1134, 715, then 17. Add all these values, plus values. 7 plus 5 12, 16, then 6, then 8. 1866 minus 479, 7831. 1387 is the correct answer. Next question. 35 into 5, that is 175. 19 into 7, 133 plus x is equal to 400. This is 308 plus x 400. X value will be equal to 92. X value 92 is the correct answer. Now we will go to the reasoning part. See the question. There are 8 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H placed one above the other in the same order. 3 are there between G and E. No box is there between D and G. The number of box placed above D is same as the number of box placed below H. H is exactly between G and E. F is at the topmost, is placed just above B. B is placed above D. A is placed above C, which is not placed at the bottommost position. Now all of you draw a 3-column table. Serial number, box and box. We will do this in 2 possibilities. Write down the numbers from 1 to 8. 1 to 8 we should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are doing in 2 possibilities. We are doing this one in 2 possibilities. Now see this one. Box F is placed at the topmost, which is just above B. F is placed topmost, which is just above B. B is placed above D. B is placed above D means you can take anywhere D immediately, or you can take one gap also. The number of boxes placed above D is same as below H. Above D 2, below H also 2. Here above D 3, below H also it will be 3. Below H also it will be 3. So here above D 2, below H 2. Here above D 3, below H also 3. H is exactly between G and E. H is exactly between G and E. And B is placed above D. B is placed above D. there are 3 boxes between G and E. There are 3 boxes between D and E. No box is there between D and G. Between D and G there is no box. Then what is given? H is exactly in between G and E. So G one gap H, H one gap E. Here G one gap H, H one gap E. Like that it will come. Then A is placed above C, C which is not placed at the bottommost. Here C is placed at the bottommost. So this one is wrong. This one is wrong because C should not be placed at the bottommost. So this is the correct arrangement. Now based on this we should answer the question. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The boxes F, B, D, G, A, H, C and E. Now how many boxes are there below G? Below G how many boxes are there? 4. 4 is the correct one. Then how many boxes are there between B and G? Between B and G there is only one box. There is only one box. Then the number of boxes placed above C. Above C there are 6. Is same as below B. Below B also 6. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not? B, G, D, E, C. Only E is at the bottom. Remaining are not in the corners. They are in the middle. Which of the box is there between B and H? Between B and H exactly we are having G. G is the correct answer. Then see the next one related to direction. Anshul started walking from his office. He walks first 5 meters north. So Anshul is walking from his office. Let us suppose this is office. This is office. Let us suppose this is office. Anshul started his walking from his office. He walks 5 meters north. First he is walking 5 meters north. This is 5 meters north. This is 5 meters north. To reach S, this is S. Then he takes a left turn. Now he is taking left. Left means left. Walks 8 meters. This time he is walking 8 meters. To reach T, this is T. Again he turns left. Now he is west facing. Turning left means moving to the south. Moving to the south. Walks 10 meters. Now this time he is walking how many meters? 10 meters. This is 5 meters. This is 10 meters. To reach U, this is U. Now he turns right. That means he is turning left because this is a south facing. Right means you have to take left. Now he is turning left. Walks 4 meters. This time he is walking 4. To reach his home. This is his home. Now this is the total puzzle we are having. Now taking this we should answer the question. See this is what we got. This is what we got. This is office north 5 meters S, then 8 meters T, then 10 meters U, then 4 meters. This is home. This is what we got. Now come to the question. In which direction is S with respect to U? With respect to U, S is in the north and to the right side. So north east is the correct, which we don't have none of these. Then what is the direction of home from office? This is office, this is home. Home is to the southwest. Southwest is the correct answer. Then next question. What is the shortest distance between office and home? So shortest distance between office and home. This is what we should find. This distance we have to find. Now this one, this is 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8 means this totally equal to 12. And this one, sorry, this one, see this one. This is 10, this is 5. So this balance will be 5. So root of 12 square plus 5 square. That is root 169. What is root 169? 13 meters. 4 is the correct answer. Next, study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. 7 persons D, E, F, G, H, I, J are buying different products from Monday to Sunday. Each person is buying product on different days. He is buying the product before Wednesday. One person is there between D and E. G is buying after D, just after D. the number of persons buying before G is same as the number of after J, I is buying before F. Now this is question. Now all of you write down on 3 column table. First one is day, next one is person, next one is person. We are doing in 3 column table. Days from Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, first point. See the first one. E is buying the product before Wednesday. Before Wednesday means it can be either Tuesday or Monday. One person is buying between D and E. So this is D. This is also D. Then G is buying just after D. G is buying just after D. The number of persons buying before G. Before G, here we are having, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are having 1, 2, 3. Is same as after J. After J also there should be 1, 2, 3, 4. After J also there should be 4 persons. Here after J there should be 3 persons. But if I write J here, there will be only 2 persons. So this one is wrong. This one is wrong. Then I is buying just after F, just before F. I is buying just before F. Here we are having H. Now this is the puzzle. Now come to the questions. See, again I will write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The persons. Write down the names of the persons, that is H, E, J, D, G, I, F. How many are buying before J? Before J there are only 2 persons, as there are only 2 persons. As the number of persons between D and F. Between D and F there are 2 persons. So 2 is the correct answer. 2 persons should be there between D and F, 2 persons. Which is true? G is buying just before I, that is true. Then H is buying after all, that is false. E is buying after J, that is also false. Only one is correct. Who is buying on Thursday? On Thursday D is buying. How many persons are there between E and G? There are 2 persons between E and G. H is buying the product on which day? That is definitely Monday. Next question. 79 to 82. These are based on the numbers. Based on the numbers, you should answer the question. See the first one. If all the digits of the numbers are arranged in ascending order within the number. So write down within the number ascending order. So within the number ascending order means we will get 024, then 246, then 357, then 169, then 079, which is the third lowest number. This is the first lowest number, this is the second lowest number, this is the third lowest number, 169. For that original number 619. Then if the first digit of the highest number, what is the highest number? 970. In this first digit 9. It is divided by second digit of the second highest number. What is the second highest number? 619. Second digit 1. So 9 by 1 is again equal to 9. Then if the first digit is becoming third, second digit first is becoming third. First is becoming third, second is becoming first, third will be second. That means how we will get? Suppose 204 is there. First is becoming third. First is becoming third means 2 will come. Second will become first, 0. So 042 like that. Then 462. This becomes 624. Then this becomes 735. Then this becomes 196. Last one 709. Then if you like this, then which number will be the lowest number? So what is the lowest number? 042. Original number 204. 204 is not there. So it is none of these. Then see the next one. What is the addition of the third digit of the second highest number? Second highest number 619. In this third digit is 9. Then first digit of the lowest number. Lowest number 204. First digit 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 11 is the correct answer. 11 is the correct answer. See the next one. 83 to 87. Here there are 8 persons. PQR, ST, U, V, W sitting around a rectangular table. 4 persons are at the corners and 4 persons in the middle. The one who are sitting on the corner face the center. The one who sit in the middle face outside the center. T is sitting second to the left of V. U is sitting third to the right of V. W is on the immediate right of R, who sits next to U. Then 2 persons are there between P and W. Q and W are not immediate neighbors to each other. Q does not face inside. Now all of you draw 2 squids like this. We will do in 2 possibilities. The one who sit at the corner, they face the center. This is corner facing the center. This is middle facing outside the center. Same. Corner is facing to the center. Now start the puzzle. T is sitting second to the left of V. So first write down V. Here in the corner, here in the middle. First time in the corner, second time in the middle. T is sitting second to the left of V. T is sitting second to the left of V. Then this is over. Then U is sitting third to the right of V. U is sitting third to the right of V. So V right third U. So this will be U. Here V left third. This will be U. Then W is on the immediate right of R, who sits next to U. So R is sitting next to U and W is on the immediate right of R. Now here you can take R here and R immediate left, it will be W. There are 2 persons between P and W. There are 2 persons between P and W. So between P and W there are 2 persons. Q and P, they are not immediate neighbors. This is P. Q and P, they are not immediate neighbors. That means Q will come here. Here we will get S. Here Q and P are not. So Q will come here. But Q does not face inside. Here Q is facing inside. So this is wrong. The second one is completely wrong. Now this is the correct one. Based on this, we should answer the questions. See this one, this is the correct arrangement we have got. Now based on this, we should answer the questions. How many persons are there between Q and S? When you count to the left side of Q, that means you count to the right side of Q, because Q is facing to the center. Only one. Only one is the correct answer. Who is facing the same direction as W? W is facing outside. U and S are also facing outside. Now when you count to the left side of S, sorry, this one I told wrong. When you count to the left side of S, this is S. Left side of S means you have to count right side of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 persons. 2 is the correct one. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? Here R, corner, T corner, P corner, V corner, U is in the middle. So U is odd one out. Who is sitting third to the left of R? So R left third is S. Then dash sitting opposite to dash. R is sitting opposite to U, wrong. R is opposite to S, wrong. W opposite to S, correct. So W is opposite to S. Only third one is correct. Then see 88 question. If in the number 5, 6, 3, 4, 9, 2, 7, 8, 1 is added to all even digits. Even means plus 1. Odd means minus 1. Now, so then it becomes 4, 7, 2, this one 5, this one 8, this one 3, 6, 9. Then arrange them in the ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what is the sum of second digit from left? Second digit from left to 3. Third digit 7. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is the correct answer. Then 8 persons are there. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V were born on 15th and 20th from January, March, June, December. V was not born in the month having 31 days. 2 persons are there between R and V. There are as many persons born before R as after S. U was born just before S. W was born just before P, T was born after R. Now see this one. So month, date, we will do in two possibility, person and person. So January, March, June, December. January, March, June, then December. 1528, 1528, again 15, again 28, 1528. Then if you see the days, January is having 31 days, March 31, June 30, December 31. So V was not born in the month having 31. So V is born in 30 days. V born in 30 days means it is definitely June, and June it can be June 15th or June 28th also, because 30 days June only is there. Two persons are there between R and V. So here you can take top, here also you should take top R. Then there are as many persons before R as after S. Before R there is only one person, after S also there is one person. Before R there are two persons, after S two persons means here we will get S. So it is not possible. So this one is wrong. The second one is wrong. You strike off this. Then U was born just before S. U will come here. W was born just before P. W was born just before P. T was born after R. We are left out with Q. So this is the total arrangement we have got. Now based on this we should answer the question. See, month, date, person. Month, date, person. Fifteen 28, 1528, again 1528. The persons. So the persons' names are Q, R, W, P, V, U, S, T. Now, which of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is true? P was born just after V. False. No one is born after T. That is correct. Then, how many persons are there between W and U? There are two persons. Then, four of the following five are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not? R 28, Q 15, W 15, S 15, V is also 15. So, R is the odd one out. R is the odd one. Who is person? Which of the persons were born on the same month? ST. Both S and T born in December. The number of persons between W and T, 1, 2, 3, 4, is same as between. There should be 4 persons. So 4 persons between U and Q. Between U and Q also there are how many persons? 4 persons. Between R and S. R and S also in between how many persons are there? 4 persons. So both A and B is the correct one. Next, syllogisms. See this one carefully. Which one logically do not follow? We have to identify which one do not follow. Which one follows not, which one do not follow. See the first one. All yellow is red. All yellow is red. No red is green. No red is green. Then some green is pink. Some green is pink. First one. some red is yellow, some red is yellow, follows. We have to identify which one does not follow. Which one does not follow, I will indicate by into, that is our answer. Some pink is not yellow, some pink is not yellow, definitely follows. No green is yellow, inside green some part of pink, so some pink is not yellow, definitely follows. All pink can be red, so here some pink is not red, so all pink can be red, does not follow. So 3 is our answer, third one does not follow. Next question. Only bus is car, that means all car is bus, all car is bus. Some truck is bus, some truck is bus, some truck is not train, some truck is not train. Then some car is bus, some car is bus, definitely follows. Some train is not truck, some not we can't reverse. Here it is given some truck is not train, we cannot reverse the second one, so second one does not follow. Next, 96. Only few coffee is tea, only few coffee is tea. So this is coffee, this is tea. Only few coffee is tea. No tea is juice, no tea is juice. All Fanta is tea, all Fanta is tea. All tea can be coffee, all tea can be coffee, definitely follows. Some coffee is not tea. So here it is given only few coffee is tea, means some coffee is tea, some coffee is not tea, follows. No Fanta is juice, that also follows. Then some coffee is not juice, that also follows. All coffee can be tea will not follow. Why? Because only few coffee is tea, all coffee can be tea does not follow. So this one, fifth one does not follow. 5 is our answer. Then 97. This is greater than, lesser than. Z less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to t, t is equal to u, t greater than u, u is equal to v, a greater than or equal to b, b is equal to t, t less than or. Now a greater than z. If you see here, z less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to t, t is equal to b, and b less than or equal to a. Therefore, from z to a less than follows. That means a greater than z or a is equal to z. That means either one or 2 follows. Next one. J greater than P, P greater than E, E is equal to G, G less than or equal to M, D greater than O, O greater than or equal to C, C is equal to E. Now D less than G. Now here from D to E greater than follows, from J to E greater than or E less than J. So first one does not follow. Second one, G greater than D. So D greater than E, from D to E greater than. E is equal to G. Therefore, D greater than G or G less than D definitely follows. 2 definitely follows. Then see the next one, 99. D less than or equal to O, O less than or equal to N, N is equal to S, S less than R, T greater than or equal to F, F greater than M, M greater than R. Now first one, T greater than D. Here from D to R less than, D to R less than. T greater than R or R less than. D less than T or T greater than D definitely follows. Then N greater than F, N greater than F, N less than R, and F greater than R means R less than F. Therefore, N less than F definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Option 5. Then see 100th question. G less than I less than or equal to F, F is equal to M, M less than or equal to E, E greater than N, N greater than or equal to O. Now, N greater than N less than G, from G to N no common symbol, does not follow. From F to O no common symbol. Neither one, not 2. 4 is the correct answer. So with this we completed paper number 235. Tomorrow we will start the next paper, that is paper number 236.